Hello friends, this is Dharmendra once again with my new video on my YouTube channel IFTCAD. In this video I am going to elaborate and discuss about Adobe Photoshop 7. Earlier I have promoted a video, I have made a video on Photoshop CC which was a bit complicated, and I don't think a lot of people maybe understand the complicated thing. So I want to make it easy, and that's why I have decided to make a video on Adobe Photoshop 7. So proceeding with the video, please keep watching and subscribe my channel IFTCAD. Okay, so proceeding with the video right now. Please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so we are on desktop right now. So now we are proceeding with the tools as well as the menu icons, menu bar. Here is the file, here file, new, opens, browse, open, save, import, work group, automatic, and the rest which is not highlighting is close, save, save as, save, forward, revert, place, import, paste setup, print with preview, print one copy, etc. Edit mode, undo, stay backward, stay forward, fade, cut, copy, merge, etc. Image is there as well, layer, select, filter, new, window, help. These are all useful tools, and now we are discussing about the tools. Here is rectangular marquee tool which is used for selection. It has 4 types of marquee tool. One is elliptical marquee tool, then single row, then single column. Okay, it is all for selection. Then after there is a move tool. The shortcut key is there. For move you can press V. Now we have lasso tool, normal lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, and magnetic lasso tool. This is for edge selection, outline selection. Here is magic wand which select the similar kind of pixels. And now the crop tool, then the slice tool, crop tool. Just remove the unwanted area. Slices make the part of a particular image. Here is the heading brush and pads. These are all for editing purpose and removing a stain from the surface or from the picture. Okay, pencil tool is there, pencil brush tool is there as well. The stamp is all about cloning. That means it is just clone the particular pixels and throw it somewhere else where you want to click. Pattern makes the background pattern. Now the brush tool is there. There is 2 kind of brush. One is history brush tool. It recalls the previous history, that if you have made changes it will become normal as well as earlier. Art brush tools creates pixels surrounding all the images and make a different kind of views and different kind of background as well. Now the eraser tool is there. Gradient here, blur, and blur has 3 options as well. Sharper tool, smudge tool, and there is dodge tool, burn tool, response tool. I will discuss each and everything about all these tools in the upcoming video. Path selection tool is there, direct selection tool is there, text tool is there, pen tool is there. Here is a shape and here is node, and then eyedropper, hand tool, and zoom tool, and set foreground tool or background. Now the image ready. Okay, so first we will discuss about how to take new documents. Press Ctrl 10 from your screen. Okay, name the title image 1. Okay, now I am taking a particular size. Suppose I am taking 4 by 6. It's a size of photography. And width is 4 inches and height is 6 inches. Resolution is 300 as well. Mode RGB. There is different mode: bitmap, grayscale. Grayscale indicates black and white. CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow and black. Lab color is there. Bitmap is there. Okay. Now content is showing its white background or background color or transparent. You can pick anyone. I am choosing here white. Okay. After clicking, I got these things. Okay. This is the setting of new document. Now, Photoshop is all about editing the old picture. That means if you have a picture from earlier, you can change the background. You can merge different kind of photographs. You can morph the pixels. You can do each and everything. You can show Eiffel Tower in India and Taj Mahal in Australia as well. So there is a various option in Adobe Photoshop. Now I am gonna show you how to change the background of an image. Okay, right now I am taking an old image, going through desktop. Desktop, is there any image right here? No. Desktop is there. I am watching for. No, there is no image right now. So I am going in another folder. I am going in drive D. In D drive, I have to find out any image. Okay. Suppose these are the pictures. Okay. In this picture, there are three persons. Okay, it's a group picture, but I want to take the middle one. I think this is my image, so I will pick this. Okay, press Ctrl and space for zooming. Okay, so I am zooming this picture, and for that I have three options to use to make a layer out of it. I can use lasso tool, polygon lasso tool, magnetic lasso tool, or I can use pen tool. I am more comfortable in pen tool, so I will use pen tool here. Right now I have clicked on pen tool, and then I will click on path. So path, while clicking on path, it will not show the color. Without path, it takes the color throughout the lines. Okay, I am starting from somewhere. So I am clicking here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I will just follow the contour of the image. Contour, that means outline of the image. Here is my shirt contour is here, and I remove the person who is in background. Anyway. So this is the way of doing things. Is that it? Make a bit curvaceous.
Island on a Wednesday, laid back, coolin', kicking feet up like a sensei.
You would love to edit. When you are a pro in Photoshop, you would love to edit. And I assure you, after watching this video, you will be a fan of your.
Look up at this girl like, let me get my words right. If she catch me with you, then we going down like Suge Knight. I got a plan, you take it back like that. Then we gon' hit that gas, make a U-turn 100 miles on the 90. Got a pray to God that we just do not crash. Okay, I don't see like I just tried. Hey, shorty the school to my rock, and I'm not talking about Jack Black. Hey, what you do when you do is something you're not supposed to do. Thinking this gon' shoot the one you love like they bulletproof. Just like
cutting it off from the
know the truth.
Okay.
I'll cry in the end when she leave and she take your juice. Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop.
It's not put somewhere, the shoe is hidden somewhere else. But I don't feel much too much of the image. I just focus on the left side, then right click. After completing the path, just right click and make selection. Selection, provide radius, bigger radius 2. Okay. Then click on normal shape layer. Don't activate path, because activating path is not going to help you making layer. So click on yes. Here. Now press Ctrl J. What? Ctrl J will copy via layer. Now you can hide the rest of the image. This is the image which I have got. I can take it or I can crop it whatever I want from. Suppose I want that much, not much more than that. That much, I want that. Okay. Then selecting this and pressing enter. The image is right now in front of me. And then move it. Click on the move tool and drag it from here to there. Okay. So I have just picked an image from a group photograph and I have placed on a size of 4:6. Okay. Now right clicking, Control T for transformation. Yani that means if you want to enlarge, somehow Hindi is coming in front in between. So sorry for that. I will make another video in Hindi as well. So if those who are not comfortable in English, please wait for second video. I will translate the whole thing in Hindi as well. Okay. So my image is here and I need a background. Okay. So a little bit of editing. Alt-I-A-C. This is for brightness and contrast. Remember the key Alt-I-A-C. That means brightness and contrast. Brightness, increase the brightness, increase the contrast. Then Control Shift B, auto balance. Then Control Shift L, auto level. Now I will select the face with magical line. Why? I want to be a bit fair without using any cream. Just checking. Sir. 7. Okay. Now I will use curve tool and make it a bit lighter. Lighter in the sense of make it fair without using fair and lovely. Okay. So this was the editing. Now dodge tool is there. Now without dodge tool. Dodge tool is for fairness. I will use a bit of dodge tool. The exposure will be much lesser. It will be 10%. Develop the size of brush and drag it. Okay. Now the burn tool. Burn tool to darken the. I am using on hairstyle. It will darken the hairstyle. Okay. So this was all about. Now I need a background. I need a background and I will choose it from anywhere. From anywhere. It could be anything like that. There is a background set up already in D drive. Okay, I am finding it out. Background. Choose any kind of background. Simple, complex, anything. I have taken it. No, it's not. This one a bit water is there. Okay, it could be well documented. I am showing the greenery here and just drag your layer on layer 2. Layer first will drag on layer 2. Okay, so this way you have completed your background image. Now rest of the portion should be used as land. You can merge two backgrounds this time. I want a background which is lands. Lands means the soil. Yes, this is it. I want this image. I will cut it out from the rest and merge it here. Alt SF feather 7. Control J. move it and drag it here. Yes. So this way I have completed the total editing job, and I am going to place it here. Yes. So the image is there on the bank of the river. How is it? I think you loved it. Control T, just crop it, crop it, crop it for the time being. Yes. V in for movement. Control T, skew or distort for the making surface as I am standing on this bush. Okay. So this was it. Make it Control E, that means merge, and yeah, Control E. Now I will provide the border. Select Control A, that means if you select the image, and then you select modify and border. I will provide 20 for border and delete. Delete, that means it will make a different kind of effect, and then use gradient. Use gradient for multiple color. So how was it? I hope it was quite good. And this is the art which I know, and you might have loved my skill of editing in Photoshop. Okay, there is a lot more effect which we might use in future. Control Shift S. Now save it on desktop. Image 1 JPG file in JPG format. If you are saving it in PDF format, that means you have the option to do it again, isn't it? Control 0, tab. This is the full screen image. Okay, so this was it. Earlier it was I was standing between standing between two people, and now I am standing on the bank of a river, and river is flowing behind. This is the art of Photoshop. This is the miracle of Photoshop. This is just glorious knowledge of Photoshop. And I hope you have enjoyed my video and you love my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's IFTCAD, and I am gonna show you much more in coming days, and hope you subscribe and you are able to grow my viewership, and one day I'm gonna be your right inspiration. Thank you guys. Keep watching and have a nice day. Thank you.
रेड वाले पे क्लिक करेंगे।
हाँ? और